Unpacking Idioms, Roll Out the Barrel. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's both historical and celebratory. Roll out the barrel. This idiom is rich in cultural history and carries a sense of joy and festivities. If you're keen on understanding English idioms and expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Roll out the barrel is an idiom that essentially means to start the celebrations or bring out something that will lead to a good time. Historically, this phrase refers to the act of bringing out a barrel of beer or ale during celebrations, indicating that it's time to drink and enjoy. It's a call to joy and festivity, often used when someone wants to suggest that it's time to have fun and enjoy oneself. The phrase, roll out the barrel, has its roots in European traditions, where beer and ale were common beverages at gatherings and celebrations. The literal act of rolling out a barrel of beer was a signal that the festivities were about to begin. This phrase was popularized by the song, Beer Barrel Polka, also known as Roll Out the Barrel, which became a hit in the early 20th century. The song's catchy tune and cheerful lyrics helped cement the phrase in English-speaking culture as synonymous with celebration and good times. In modern times, roll out the barrel can be used both literally and figuratively. While you might not often see an actual barrel of beer being rolled out, the phrase is used to suggest that it's time to start celebrating or to bring out something that will make everyone happy. It's a versatile idiom that can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal announcements of celebration. Roll out the barrel is more than just an invitation to drink. It's a call to camaraderie, joy, and making merry. Whether you're at a party, with friends, or simply looking to inject some cheer into your conversations, this phrase is a delightful addition to your English idiom repertoire. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your understanding of English expressions but also brought a smile to your face. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the culture and history behind the phrases we use. Cheers to your language learning journey.